Hello, traders and investors. Welcome to this special episode, Dalal Street Week Ahead program for the Week 1 series of December and January 2025. So, we will be seeing the Nifty range analysis with support and resistance levels, also some key news with the global connections, and also some key stocks news as well. Let's get into the video. So, firstly, let's look into technical view of Nifty, how it was ended last week and how it's going to be expected for the current week. So the last week wrap up, we will see. So BSE Sensex have ended with a 0.84% higher with a closing of 78,699 on last Friday. And Nifty have ended with a 225.9 points higher with 0.95%, almost near to 1%, which ended with 23,813.40 for the last week. So foreign institutionals been net seller for the last week as well with 6,322 crores. With overall for the month they have sold almost 10,444 crores. Coming to domestic institutionals, they have been still supporting the market with purchase of 10,927 crores for the previous week, and also they have overall purchased 27,474 crores overall for the month of December. So coming to the current week, what are the expectations for the Nifty levels? So we are expecting Nifty to be positive for this week, but with the range bound actions. So what will be the resistance? The resistance will be around 24,000 to 24,200 from the current level of 24,813. So we can go technically long only if the Nifty closes above 24,300 decisively, then only the Nifty can go long, or one can go long with the Nifty. Immediate support is lying around the range of 23,650 is the immediate support. If that is broken, then we have to wait for the level of 23,500. So either the breakout of 24,000 or 23,500 will make the next move from the current levels. So we also have to see very keenly the market lying out 23,860 at 200 DSMA, which is daily simple moving average. So once this level is crossed, then only 24,000 level can be achieved. So expected, we said the range for this week will be around 23,500 to 23,900. This will be the range expected for this week. So breakout on either side will have a upside move or the downside move from the current levels, which is acting as a resistance and support that we have derived here. So I hope the technical view is very clear for you. With all this, we'll go to the business week ahead. So what are the key newses? So December 30th, Ventive Hospitality, Cenaros Paramedicals and Caroro India will be listing on the stock exchanges. And the board of Sigel Glass is been having a board meeting on December 30th. They are planning have a proposal of raising funds the way of insurance equity shares or any other instruments. So that will be outcome of the board meeting. We will be getting into know. So Tuesday 31st, there will be a public issue of Indofarm equipment will be open for its subscriptions, and also Unimec Aerospace and Manufacturing will be listing on stock exchanges on 31st December. Government will be releasing its revenue and expenditure data for the April to November period will be a key data. China manufacturing PMI will be released for data for December will be released on 31st December. So 2nd of January 2025, Dollar Industries is being scheduled with a board meeting. They are planning to have a fundraise proposals also with the other instruments with the MFs and other institutional players to raise the fund. US jobless claim data for the December 28th ending will be released on January 2nd. And January 3rd, Friday, India bank loan and deposit growth rate data will be released, and US manufacturing PMI data for December will be updated. These are the key news for the business perspective. And we have one interesting news, which is astrology with stockology, which is very interesting. You know that sun with the planets we are believing on the astrology. So the nakshatra, which is Purvashada, will be staying at sun till January 10th, which is historically have given good positive returns during this period, which is proven with the historical data. So with all this, how the market is going to react, we will be seeing as outline. So December 30th, Monday, it is going to be a volatile bullish day. A gap up will be indicating and confirm the week will be close on the bullish note. So we have to see the Monday market, if it is open positive and if it is closed positive, then this week will close with positive note. So December 31st, it is a Purvashada good day, so higher opening is expected on this day. So January 1st, it is a auspicious day, so there will be some corrections will be there and testing. There is a support levels may be tested during this day. So more volatility will be seen on January 1st. January 2nd, it is Shravan, auspicious bullish day. We can see unexpected fund flow from the FIIs or from the DIIs, which may move the market upside among the retail participants. So January 3rd, it is Dhanishta, volatile tough day. So the volatility will be very high. So as we said, if Monday the market opened a positive note, we will expect the Friday market will be closing positive as well. Coming to some important information sharing, as we all know how the market is moving, and we see most of the stocks hitting freshly 1 trillion market cap, which is almost 95 stocks have hit this year 1 trillion, which is a gradual growth from 2020. If you see in 2020 there are 29 companies with 1 trillion, and 2021 with 49, 2022 52, 2023 it is 74, and now 2024 95 companies are with 1 trillion market caps, which is very important, that how we are looking very bullish on the Indian market and how the investors are been coming into the Indian market. With the same way, if you see the mutual funds, also the gradual improvement from 2020, if you see the investment from the mutual funds is less than 1 lakh crore. Then 2021 it was crossing 1 lakh crore, 2022 it is 1.5 lakh crores, 2023 it is crossing 1.5 lakh crores, but 2024 it's massive performance, which is crossed even 2 lakhs, and it ended with 2 lakhs 41,864 crores in a mutual fund have invested in the Indian share market. So this is how the market correction and happening, and still the market Indian economy seems to be good, and it will be a growing territory only. So you have to keep analyze and keep investing on the right time to get the good returns. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and please input your comments, and thank you. Wish you all a happy new year for 2025. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.